Post-hypnotic suggestions. For informational use only, absolutely not for hypnotizing others. These should be done just before you instruct yourself to wake up. They should start with, I will be able to remember everything that I have experienced during this hypnosis session. I am about to give myself some suggestions that I will be able to remember and act upon when I wake up. The next time I will find it easier to enter a state of self-hypnosis, and I will be able to go to a deeper state of hypnosis than I'm at now. Post-hypnotic suggestions take the form of constructive suggestions. I will be able to, I will find it easier, I will notice, I want to. They must be phrased positively, otherwise their effects could be counterproductive. Useful suggestion is, I will find that memory will gradually improve. My capacity to memorize and recall it will improve noticeably. You may wish to make the process of hypnosis easier by giving yourself a keyword.